Ever wanted to start your own shade garden but didn't know where to begin? Welcome to the world of shade gardening, a realm where maintenance is lower and plant variety is abundant. So, how do you begin your journey into shade gardening? Stay tuned to find out. The first step in starting a shade garden is choosing the right location. It's crucial to identify those portions of your garden that bask in less sunlight. Don't forget to evaluate the soil quality and drainage conditions. With the right location, you're already halfway there. Now that you've found the perfect spot, it's time to choose the right plants. Consider shade-loving varieties like hostas, ferns, and astilbes. These aren't just beautiful, they're also quite hardy. Hostas thrive in deep shade, while ferns love moist, well-drained soil. Astilbes, on the other hand, are great for adding color, as they bloom in a range of hues. With a little care and maintenance, these plants can flourish and fill your garden with lush, green beauty. Remember, the right plants can transform your garden into a lush, green sanctuary. You've chosen your plants, now let's get them in the ground. Start by digging a hole a little deeper and wider than the plant's root ball. Place your plant in, making sure it's level with the ground, then backfill with soil, firming it gently around the base. Water thoroughly, allowing the moisture to reach deep into the roots. Now, for maintenance, regular watering and applying a layer of mulch around your plants will help conserve moisture and keep weeds at bay. With regular care and a little patience, your shade garden will flourish in no time. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to starting a shade garden. We've walked through selecting the perfect location, choosing plants that thrive in the shade, and tips for planting and maintenance. Remember, shade gardening allows you to utilize spaces you might have overlooked while enhancing the beauty of your garden and conserving water. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!